Hey guys! In this video, we will create a multi-target to show AR content using Vuforia. This is vrunitybro. Your game has started. New project. I know this is 2022, but I'm using version 2020. 3D Core, name your project, Brunity AR Cube, create project. Here is the project. Download the Vuforia engine package from this web, link in the description. Double click in the package, hit import. Well, this is an error. I have the same version. Update. Window. Vuforia configuration. And we need a license. Back in the Vuforia engine, login. License manager. Get basic. Name your license. Accept the terms. And confirm. Open your license. Click on the license. Back to Unity. Ctrl V. And we have the license. Now let's create the database. In the Vuforia Developer Portal Target Manager, add database, select device, name it, Vrunity AR Cube, create. Open your database, add a target, select multi, 1, 1, and 1, and name, Vrunity AR Cube. Add, open the new target, and we have the model. Use the resources in the description. Upload front, browse, targets, and front, open, upload. We have the front, and do the same with the other faces. Now the multi-target is ready. Click on Brunity AR Cube, select the target, download that database, Unity editor, download, save. Here is the package, double click, import, hierarchy, right click, Vuforia, AR camera, delete main camera, right click, Vuforia, multi-target. And here is the model we've created. Hierarchy, right click, 3D object, sphere. Drag the sphere inside the multi-target just to test it out. Scale it, 3, 3, and 3. Right click in the sphere, effects, particle system, change the color, print out, and build the cube. Link in the description. Ctrl S to save and click on play. Before you leave, yes, I know you were about to leave, don't you? The promotion for this video is, if you subscribe and give us a thumbs up, you will get a better job. I know you aren't appreciated in your current job. Finally, go to Scenes and change the name of your template. Reload, and we have the Brunity template. That's it for this lesson. In this video, we learned how to implement Vuforia. We created a multi-target and we put some content inside the multi-target. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.